recently made a Facebook page, so I thought of making this quick video for you guys to check it out, and the links will be down below for my Facebook page. Please do press that like button because it will mean the world. And yeah, tomorrow I will be uploading a video on the giveaway winners, so stay tuned. Bye guys.